Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. CZ, Binance founder, just announced bond plan for Terra Classic token. CZ is planning a massive bonding for Terra Classic, and remember, a lot of money have been pumping to Terra Classic coin recently, and Binance are fully ready to support Terra Classic this year and bonding of Terra Classic coin. Of course, remember, Binance have already bond billions of Terra Classic. Now this year 2023, Binance are actually planning on bonding more Terra Classic coin, and I believe CZ have been supporting this coin. We are going to see a lot of bonding coming up very soon. Binance, remember earlier they wanted to charge 1.3% tax bond instead of 1.2%, but due to the pressure from community, Binance have to bow down. Binance have to accept the 1.2% tax bond, and yet Binance have been burning billions. One thing to understand that Binance are fully ready to support this coin, especially Binance founder. They are fully ready. In fact, about 44 to 48% of Terra Classic coins is being traded on Binance alone. That's to tell you how Binance are really supported. Remember, Terra Classic have been listed by many crypto exchanges, including Kucoin, Crypto.com, L-Bank, a lot of them, except Coinbase. And I believe Coinbase very soon will still list this coin, because Coinbase actually removed this coin due to the crash of Terra Classic. And I hope to see very soon Coinbase might be listing this coin, and also Robinhood. But right now, Binance are controlling over 44 to 48% of Terra Classic coins, and they also promised they will be burning a lot of Terra Classic coins very soon. And Binance founders have a good plan on how to burn these coins out. I'm hoping to see that actually come to pass before the end of the year, because we are hoping to see Terra Classic coin hit 1 penny, hit 1 cent. Yes, 1 cent even for the end of the year is going to be very, very impressive, because we are talking about 10,000% increase in price. Remember, having about $100, we're talking about $10,000. So, but remember, please, in case you want to invest or buy any coin, remember to invest what you can afford to lose, and also know that this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. And let's keep hoping to see what Binance will be offering, the support they'll be giving out this year for Terra Classic coin. Last year, they really supported Terra Classic, and I hope this year we are going to see more better support. We are going to see Terra Classic really doing well, more than they did last year. Once again, remember to subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.